Hi, welcome back to Festivalscribe. And in this, we're going to look at how you view and review activity responses, which is the big blue tab. Simply tap that button and you can see you've got a visual dashboard now of all of your students and all of the activities by student. And the key is really important here. Orange means you've set the activity. Pink means that it has been completed by the student. And green means that you've actually reviewed it. So this is your way of just quickly navigating and seeing how everyone's actually going at the moment. If you want to go in and look at one of the activities, you can look at it by student and you can see how many you've set, how many have been completed, reviewed, and how many are outstanding. You'll notice that we also have a 1 to 5 rating system that you can put when you look at each activity, and a comment. So this is a really nice way for you to get an overview of your students' progress and that you can clearly go and have a look here at the particular activity that they've completed. So you've got the sample work alongside that. So we call this your Teacher Writing Toolkit dashboard, and it gives you a great perspective of all the activities and where your students are at.